Hey guys, so I just got my package in the mail, and I think it's 17's album Heng. So let's just open it now. Ooh. Oh my god. And I bought the dual version. I only bought one version because I'm actually on a budget, but I still want to have this album because it's really cute and I really like the color of the second version. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, it's a freebies. I got Hoshi. Thank you, seller. Okay, so let's just start with this. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a shot. Let's open this. Actually, I really hate about this part that we need to rip it. I'm gonna do it off cam. So I tried my best. Oh my god, I tried my best. Using a ruler was the life tips, guys. Okay, let's just open it. So here we go, 17. So excited. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, okay. And we also got this thingy majiggy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can see it already. Oh my god. Okay, so the first thing is this thing right here. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay. Okay, one hip hop theme. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. I'm at the point where I don't really know who my bias is in 17 because I like everyone. Oh my god. Okay, performance team. Their names. Wow, this is a good picture. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's Hoshi. Wow, June. Wow, just wow. Sorry, I said too many wows and oh my god. But I know you can relate to me. Oh my god, Minghao. Wow. Tino. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. I'm just speechless, you guys. Okay. Vocal team. Okay. Okay. Where's the... I'm just afraid. Okay. I'm gonna... It's right here. So it's vocal team now. And is there a name? Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. He's an angel. Wow. Oh my god. Singkwan. Wow. Joshua. I really like his hair. Wow. And interview 17. Oh. Oh. Plus there are pictures too. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. It's really cute. Okay, so let's go. Here's the sticker, I believe. Oh yeah, it's a sticker. Okay. Oh, it's a city. Oh my god. I can't see it right now. I want to flip it. Flip. Okay. Okay. Look at this. I really like this color. Beige and pastel blue. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, just... Oh, so that matches with the front. Yeah. And then this one. I'm just gonna take this first. Because, so who we get? I got Sungkwan. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes. And next is photo card. Oh my god, I can see them. Okay. Okay, the first one. Who did I get? Oh my god, it's Joshua. I'm so happy I got him. I said before that I like his hair, and I got him. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. June. Oh my god. I'm really happy, you guys. And what's this? Is this track list? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna assemble this. How do I assemble this? How? This? Okay. 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 Like this. Then we need to open this thingy majigi. Wow. Wow. Oh. Okay. Oh. 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 It's done. Oh my god, so beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Okay, I think that's it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.